Today, we're breaking down the four massive reasons why Florida roofing has become the most expensive in the nation and what the newest 2026 laws actually mean for your wallet. First up, the materials. Florida doesn't just shingle a house, we build a fortress. Under the 2026 Florida Building Code, contractors must now use peel-and-stick self-adhering membranes or reinforced tape on every single joint in the wood decking. Every shingle, tile, and nail must have a Florida product approval number, proven to withstand 150 to 180 miles per hour winds. These materials can cost 20% more than standard products used in other states, but they've been shown to reduce water damage by 60% if your shingles blow off. Reason number two, the law. For years, Florida had the 25% rule. If 25% of your roof was damaged, you had to replace the whole thing. Thanks to Senate Bill 4D, that rule is officially dead for many. If your roof was built according to the 2007 code or newer, you can now perform repairs on just the damaged section without a full replacement. Reason number three, if you live in Miami-Dade or Broward, you're in the high-velocity hurricane zone, HVHC. This is the strictest building zone in the world. Products here must have a notice of acceptance from Miami-Dade, requiring much more expensive lab testing. Installation requires tighter nail patterns and extra inspections. Reason number four, years of litigation and roofing fraud have made insurers terrified of old roofs. Many insurers will now refuse to renew your policy if your shingle roof is over 15 years old. This creates a massive surge in demand. When everyone is forced to replace their roof to keep their insurance, labor, and material prices skyrocket. So, it's a perfect storm of the world's toughest building codes, high-tech materials, and an insurance market in survival mode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Florida building code updates.